everyone, my name is Jennifer Hanway. I'm a board-certified holistic nutritionist, beauty nutrition expert, and celebrity nutritionist. Today, we're going to make one of my favorite breakfast recipes, a pineapple collagen smoothie, featuring my favorite collagen, Feel Pro Collagen. So let's begin. I'm going to take some spinach. We all should be eating more greens in our diet. Really rich in vitamin C and wonderful for gut health as well. We're going to add some courgette. Wonderful source of minerals and again also that fiber for gut health. We're going to add some pineapple. Great for helping with that vitamin C, full of antioxidants, really wonderful for our digestion. We're going to add some avocado for those healthy fats, which is also essential for skin health. We're going to add some chia seed. Again, those wonderful omega-3 fatty acids. We're also going to add my favorite ingredient, our Feel Pro Collagen. Add 1 scoop here. I'm going to add my milk. I'm using almond milk, but whichever milk you prefer is fine. Pop this into the blender. And there we have it. There's our pineapple collagen smoothie, packed full of collagen, wonderful for your skin, packed full of vitamin C, and it tastes absolutely delicious too.